Hey everyone, this is a 2005 Ford Escape and I've been having an intermittent no start. What's happening is the PCM ground, the computer is supposed to send a ground out through this blue and orange striped wire to the starter relay to complete the circuit, to close it, to send the 12 volts down to the starter. It's not doing that. So I just disconnected the PCM ground part, grabbed the wire, permanently grounded it so it'll start every time now with no problems, because it's not, this is just disconnected. The 12 volts is going everywhere. I really don't know what's causing it. It might just be a computer issue. But also, if you're having a pinch and your ignition switch is okay, you can turn your key on, and if you don't start, you can jump these two spots out right here with a piece of wire, and that'll get your 12 volts down to your battery and start you up. Have a good day. Bye.